Hi, it's Rachel with Compass up in Big Bear. Just going to walk you through this new listing 42084 Snowmass over in Big Bear Lake. So come check it out. Okay, so here we are over in Winter Park again. Just a few weeks ago, we were right over there at Breckenridge. So right underneath Snow Summit, very close to Bear Mountain as well, and also to Big Bear Lake. Or, well, the actual lake. It is inside Big Bear Lake, though. So here we are outside, log home, log siding. It is veneer siding, and then they've got some other logs on the outside. This is a nice, cool little cute feature, like an eagle, like a fake eagle nest. This one is a vacation rental home. The roof looks newer. And then on the driveway, you've got some stamped concrete. It's nicely landscaped to get rid of the weeds. We've got a porch, covered entry too. So this one, total on it, 3 bedroom, 2 baths, 2132 square foot, and just hit the market for 1.2 million. Got like a nice little sitting area right here. And we'll go this way first. It's really nicely furnished to some very unique things in here. Some laminate hardwood flooring. Check out these vaulted ceilings. It's a nice little firewood area. And a gas fireplace, stacked stone. Got a dining room that sits 12, which is likely about what this house sleeps or can host for vacation rentals. So this side, you've got the master on the west wing of the house. They have it really nicely furnished. Tile floors. Got dual shower heads. Travertine shower. Granite countertops. And a nice deep soaking jacuzzi tub. So then we will go over to, let's go through the kitchen. There's nice bay windows. And we will go outside after we've checked out the entire inside. The nice thing is they've got everything labeled for all their vacation renters. Got a pantry. It appears they've got a locking section of it. It's very common for vacation rentals. Be able to keep your stuff in there and still be able to live in it. A little coffee bar. So down this wing, we're gonna find the second bathroom, which has definitely been updated since this was built. Like this 3 sections right there. And then we will go into bedroom number 2. And again, vaulted ceilings, really close to everywhere you'd need to be in Big Bear Lake as well. Grocery stores are about a mile and a half from here. Hospital, which hopefully you don't have to go to, about half a mile from here. The village about 2 miles. So laundry room, front load washer and dryer. And then what a great feature. They have turned this into a game room, which is wonderful for rentals. So they've finished off the garage, including flooring. This is just like a vinyl roll. It looks like a vinyl roll-on flooring. It's got its own heater out here. Not sure what you're gonna do with 2 TVs, but maybe play games on one while people watch the other one. So they're still able to keep their stuff stored in here. And then also still be able to use this as a garage, because the garage door is still here. You could still drive in off this stuff if everything wasn't in here. So really nicely done how they did that. And now we are going to go outside to the backyard. So backyard, you get a little bit of noise back here, road noise. Not sure if you can hear Big Bear Boulevard. I'll be able to point it out over here in a second. This is the overflow lot for parking for Snow Summit, which is great because you can just hop the fence and catch your lift to the ski slopes. But right about there, you can kind of see some traffic out there. And then we've got this 12-person spa here. And they did some nice patio pavers down here. And invested a lot in this AstroTurf and concrete fire pit that is gas. So here's fully fenced, irrigation, and they've even got a fence so that you can walk back to get on the shuttle to get to Bear or Summit. So again, just hit the market, 42084 Snowmass, located in Winter Park neighborhood. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,132 square foot, and just hit the market for $1.2 million. Come check it out.